Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about best affiliate marketing networks out there. But before we start, we have to understand what is affiliate marketing. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you will find merchants, or in other words, brands out there, and then you will also find publishers. So these publishers are basically the website or website owner, any social media account owner for say any online presence they do have. And these are the people who are interested in promoting brands out there. In affiliate marketing, brands or merchants, they allow the publishers to promote them via tracking links, so you may call them affiliate links, and upon successful lead generation or sales, these brands or merchants pay a percentage of the sale amount to the publishers, and that's called commission. Now, all this is possible through third party involved, which is affiliate marketing networks out there. The purpose of these third parties are, it's out there, it's hard for publishers to find merchants, and same way for merchants to find publishers. So what these third party, or you may call them affiliate marketing networks, they provide platforms to publishers out there and to merchants. Using their platform, both these parties can connect with each other. Publisher can get all the tools required to promote the merchants on the web presence, and upon successful sales or lead generation, these third parties are the one who also pay commission on merchants behalf to the publishers. So that's what is involved in affiliate marketing. These three parties are involved this way. In this video, we will talk about all the best affiliate marketing networks out there that you can join. And these are the benefits you can see. So they're free to join. You know, you don't have to pay anything. Even when you're generating commission, you don't have to pay anything. You simply have to use their platform. Uh, all these platforms are beginners friendly. You may pick any platform, or you may pick more than one platform and start promoting merchants through that platform. Totally up to you. And then minimal country restrictions. Now, some of these networks will not allow the publishers from all the countries, but again, these are big networks and they have very minimal country restrictions. So most of the countries are there. The publisher from those countries are approved in their networks. So without further ado, let's start with it. In the list, the very first network we have is CJ.com, or you may also call them Commission Junction. And how do you join them? So in order to join them, you can simply click on sign up. This will take you to this page. And since you want to become the partner, publisher partner, you have to click on sign up button in here, this side on the right hand side. When you click on it, this will take you to this page. Now, this is a registration form. You can fill this form and click on verify email, and that's where your registration starts with CJ or Commission Junction. Second in the list is Rakuten Advertising. So to join Rakuten Advertising, all you have to do is to on their homepage. So if you go to rakutenadvertising.com, this is your homepage. You'll see simply have to click on become a publisher. And when you click on it, it will take you to the publisher registration form. This is the form you have to fill. It's quite a long form, but you'll get there. You have to fill, and at the end you have to click on sign me up, and then it will take you through the registration funnel. The third in the list is ShareASale, and the website is shareasale.com/info/. Once you're here to join their network as a publisher, you can click on sign up or hover over sign up, and here you have to choose affiliate sign up. Once you do that, it should take you to their registration page. In here, you can wait for it to load. Once in here, you can fill all these informations and you can click on step 2. So that's how you can start your registration with ShareASale. Third in the list is AWIN.com, or AWIN you may call them. You can there go to the website AWIN.com, and to become their publisher, you can simply click on sign up on the top right hand side, and you can wait for them to redirect you. It might take a few seconds sometimes, and in here you can start with the registration process. Next in the list is impact.com. And again, to join their network, first the website is impact.com. And to join their network, you can hover over for publishers and click on affiliates. And then it will take you to the page where you can do the registration. Next is AffiliaXe. You simply have to click on Get Started on the home page. Again, it will take you to the registration page of AffiliaXe. Next, ClickBank. Now, to access this page of ClickBank, you can just write in clickbank.com/affiliates with S. Once you're here, you can simply click on Start Here, and it should take you to the registration process. Now, you will find, like with all these networks, you'll find they have pretty same work here. You get there, you become their publishers, and the form would differ. The information they're asking you to fill in would differ, but generally once you get there, you simply have to fill up the form, and then you get access to the interface. The next in the list is Amazon, or you may call them Amazon.com. Now, you must be aware of Amazon already. Either you probably use their service or you know someone using their service. It's an e-commerce website. Unlike other networks out there, they're a bit different. In other network, you will join the network, and then once you get access to the interface, you find a brand. In here, you can basically join the affiliate program of Amazon and feel free to promote any products of theirs once you get access to the affiliate interface of Amazon. And to access it, you can go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once you're in here, you can simply click on sign in, or there will be an option to sign up. But if you click on sign in, or it's better, it's here, sign up. When you click on it, it will take you to the registration process. Next in the list is FlexOffers. Now, FlexOffers is a very interesting affiliate network. As a beginner, I would highly recommend you to go with FlexOffers. The reason being, they provide huge list of partners, and you would be able to choose from any niche partners and basically just get tracking links and promote them. To get started with them, you simply have to click on Get Started on top right hand side. It will take you to interim screen where you can decide whether you want to become a publisher or you want to become a merchant with them. But since you want to become a publisher affiliate, you can click on sign up. Next in the list is Avangate Affiliate Network. Their website is avangatenetwork.com. Once you're in here, you can click on sign up, and again they will take you to the registration page, and you can start registering from there. The next is GiddyUp, and their website is GiddyUp.io. Once you get there, you can find an option here to join the network. Should be somewhere here. Okay, well, it seems like it was here and now it's not available. So let's try to click on their website and see what we find once again. Okay, all right, so it's in here. Once in here, you can go with the option marketing partners. I'm ready to apply now. Once you click here, it should take you to the registration form. Now, you just realized sometimes it would be a bit hard for you to find the option to apply. I know it's very basic, but since all these websites, all these affiliate networks are different, the websites are different, sometimes you'll struggle to find the option to do the sign up. So you could always refer to this video to see which network, where is the sign up option available. And once you're on this page, you can click on apply to be partner now, and then just follow through whatever comes next in this screen. And so this was a list of best affiliate networks out there. I hope you liked the video and you have enjoyed the list. And for your convenience, I'm gonna also note down the list of these networks in the video description. So feel free to directly take the website URL from there and feel free to join. And for me, all the very best to you. And then there is one more thing. So if you struggle to join the networks, or if you want me to even complete the registration process of each network from the list or any other network per se, please let me know in the comment, like that Rahil, we want you to please tell us how do we complete the registration process with this network, and I would be happy to create a video on that. Apart from it, if you have any question related to affiliate marketing, also put it in the comment, and I would be happy to help you understand that, and I will try my best to answer that question for you. Until then, all the very best to your journey, and I wish you very best. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe.